Okay, assalamualaikum. Kontangal, bismillah. Menu bejang, menu bina. Ada menu mana jibela fana on YouTube. Ngal be kontangal, bismillah. For today, what I want to do here is, after summary la gala me alongo, wala be dending attending committee la, committee hearing ning. Lafta ka wala summarize ba kebi, kabo starting from the testimony of Louis. Louis Prom, then Louis Prom Bodaye. Louis Prom Kola, or before that maybe. Aliou Jallo, too much of nothing, I call him. Aliou Jallo la testimony in both like a summarize to manding, come Pruka or Molenio, many along maybe one time zero GB, or maybe it was just too long, it might be follow, just key points. Yeah, and Nina Rajiv Prom la testimony a kudo lelulindi. Example, the lead counsel, the potential, what is it called, conflict of interest. Because maybe those are exaggerate or maybe those are downplay. So, but in between, Gambia Gambia and there I want to put emphasis on that particular topic, highlight, because I think it is very important, Molia understand. Whether it is too serious or not too serious, Molia understand. That's the most important thing. We understand what was going on there. Okay, so Aliou Jallo, I don't want to spend a lot of time on him. I think Aliou Mutasunti, because Natunga Musum Bati at the living at a government property in a Cape Point, Mealonga Kabe before the Karte for you. But I also know Aliou knows way too much information than he's revealing. The evidence, lawsuits are flying everywhere. So the evidence Aliou has been misleading the commission. One, Aliou has said several things. Many along they didn't add up. Aliou said he had never remembered writing any letter to the armed forces. Akonabe kelab sojarol many along Wullel benu president bungol domeyango yajamel tamunungiti. Akane namon later safe kata Janet commission. But now I understand in a confront later or America to find a safe to Janet commission when I ask in a confront later or America I will safe to the armed forces Menkidela CDS Nyaronko in found. So obviously Aliou Wyatt and the statement that was a little bit misleading, whether intentional or otherwise. And also another thing that Aliou meant for me along canning cool manta back later was a kite and go a diamukang alaji mama the Kurana by cool commission or later on Nina Rajive. That letter was dated on the 11th of July 2017. 11th July 2017. So but the Janet Commission was established on the 13th of July 2017. So 2 days before the Janet Commission, Aliou later on present, or later was explaining, was already talking about Mamadi Kurang's fallout with the Janet Commission. So along Aliou, it doesn't make a lot of sense. So the fact that Aliou presented a memo, so-called memo, evidence lady, that memo was talking about Alaji Kurang's dismissal and his fallout with the Janet Commission being an obstacle to the activity of taking inventory of what happened, of taking inventory of the Jame assets in Kanilai and other places. So the fact that I later on Bondi, so Anun Alaji Mamad Kurang not by water, July lady, was it June or July 10th, 2018. So Aliou Lal, why I didn't Aliou statement, to be honest with you, among quality me along Godal, near timeline or GB among Arab and the fact that Akanema letters of armed forces, ya confront later or Menga Fonga Save, Kata armed forces later or Kiana, and in front of Janet Commission, Akanema letter Save, I later or eaten dollar, not right and from like I go later of legends of armed forces and all those letters we are often talking about attachments. So those attachments, Jama inventory laldi, bagasol meniano goya jamel tamu anu itola marta wala sakat Aliou Fong. So wol keta kuti mea tinanona Aliou la kumo yin silang kanata anu adding as a judicial officer he knows better, I londo so do yin karola bake londiti bala mariye and I fahamro ke doko ke so afa nyanta lono ko nika kumo fo me alonko inata je ko ila kumo ning silo manda it erodes your credibility ila credibility ning comme ila kumo pour ito lessing ni commission be kuma kantala même decision di finally itela ko ni buka sinsi buka sembeno itela kumo because ka fole ko askeno sinya fula sabanani ite kuma fo me an kamana ke tonya no finally Aliou la ko me atina Aliou I am disappointed to be honest with you the third thing me aliula credibility fanang intela karola inte fangola cross rolte because mbela moy rola you know mbe cross rola ako ya nyini nga dula dola afangona ta ko bata medio kuma dole fay so bata medio kuma men fay wala mondi wala ya jamela biangol be minto so bari yara fang ñu commission fang wala dañu commission ñu nak kisi kulal ni me ko ñim fana mina kisi kulal because beangol be damen non tolka kanela la moy banjulendi because hanek kurana testimony moy kanela banjulendi ko wala moy an farado so aliou for some reasons ako bata medu kayla go to places like Mamuda bata medu blado apparently Mamuda ñol be jele sifo ñol be jele you know sambuya o dulal ma fon la boy yara fa ya jamela dulal be siarne. So yanyanga about the issue of places like Mamuda, you know, he said ko batamedula kay ko ta JGB. So kay ko bayo lo nyadi. Imagine nyimu mo de melon ka I forgot la fola ko I forget I don't remember. Foi ko signa keme signa talulu ala kunun ko ba dia mo ni ala bi ala nyin triflo me nga commission do. E ko signa keme signa talulu I fold ko kafoko I don't remember ngakilo mama manyina tale o ngakilo mama a fole sinya keme sinya tallu bari ya nyini ngawla ko ba tambe dulu yo fay so na rafa ko jumale o fo ba tambe imagine mo mena ngata fango ndokol men ko na kafa mo remem aka fako ako usenu dabo ole o fo ba tambe so o fana for me it erodes his credibility because ita moment ita fango ndokol men ko na be explain no ika fo nyina dale so but for some reason be on be Mamuda ko jumala fo ko batambe jumala fo batambe do fana go usenu so to me that doesn't make sense and I'm not trying to whitewash anybody here. It doesn't make sense mome yala ngo cool me be adunda kono agabala mari member but for some reason batambe do kumo fa manyina wala batambe jumala fo am usenu and we tell ko usenu ma fo de usenu batambe la fo de but for some reason maybe you just want to put usenu on the fengoto atondi spotlight watson gambe ya kibirndi comme bureau ka fako nana da bebe bom solo dol drop la ngamol lonne men ya lon ko prombe men fo ka prom fana ka mo wol tol remember but I don't know men ya lon ko wolena about to ka fako men go lafta ka ya jemel bagaso dol sane mari ñol mo politician wala be coalition ko no ndara comment section no anyway I'm not accusing anybody here ngamol jebe Ahmad Banning Henry Gomez Soges gang that's just me I'm going to say it like that because ngawol le comment section and I've even taken a screenshot of one of them. But promised testimony to Akwa Malon Jumal level. So often I have cool the mail on commission will come as far as the public records are concerned. Maybe not be able to follow the imafo mole follow. But commission would not the good thing is Kulo Jama be able to come because Aliu from Mudawala Yama, Aliu Yaninka later or put Jana commission Akamalo. Ye later o yaninka pro yefenki sojaro le bang ako fanakre sojar dinol the minister sabader bongol to ten after another chance deal like ko maybe la fa fena bla ko kay ko may ko ta sita diamuda still na manje ko indi den wota molom inara ka nyini ka ko te iman letter se fe am fose never ako hani anena magi iman letter se fe jana commission ako no akata buko ko ministry buko ta mo nyama ataka letter o ataka address to malom for solicitor general le bang for AG nyinamba akata la channel ol multi akata he doesn't write directly to the Jana Commission and they don't write directly to him but in other trakwala will be mufangolo so wole aliula ko that la ko is just too much of nothing if you niajibe but men ko da wala nyiniko Salif Kor was in charge of Kanilai astaghfirullah one major or captain so wole ben Kanilai Salif Kor was in charge of Farado and Banjulinding and these people should be very helpful to establish what happened to the thousands of cattle then they dwindled down to how much about I don't know 600 something or 700 something and then me wafita ofana kono ofana nangamona do ya baka kete kemenani anin tan sabaning konon do ma fon wodron ne wafita and ofana me wafita o kodo ofana be mom fata gambe non so it's like comme ni ya jambe ni si wilo le babul gambe non le benefit o men so de ni so to na wafita nyama ni si mo man tambal so nyimbe kam ne le gambia kasarata nyamen yemira wili ni si wili ni so me alon ko ni ba fala ko ni so da nyande kilometer market ko no normal price ntole men so ya Gambian ngamen so men da consolidated fund account rada mala mamila tambita ministre tan kondola naata dum ka kodimala ni ba kodimala konta so wobe mi neden kasarolam so prom fana nakarola prom ay diam jamal lege ata fongo cool men ke men yanka ne silo man ta nyola wala nyini ko ka bagasol sang abe men wafikan bi kana ata fana mo receivalti just ko nyen kayen ko ende dron Aliou Jallow Atay was the first receiver of the Jammeh assets. So ko men keta inception atele jama long ku jama me alon ko they are not accounted for if is not run ko mobe suta member to nya fla mole wonyane kata Aliou Jallow because atele be je from inception ya atele force receiver so prom la carola damando je topico me ko be overshadow wala keta jane commission la cour and the lead council la conflict of interest matter for me it's just mo jama yalone from inception comme ko this was the matter but it brings me down to one issue wala modo e men fono wala nyidigo UDP ka politician on dato wala ako commission ni na set up ni na mambedea nga problème o so do jel do so but ikana problème o jele ni prom la testimony ni lamay why ni Ami Bensouda involvement of Jibe in the commission, they have reasonable grounds to say go. Isobita Ami was trying to push them out for social security. And then you left a complex la domane, so left a breakdown na mole, pour mole understand. Mune ketanunje for social security, Ami Bensouda, and then you have the Romanian hotel owners and all that. So maybe you will go kenoing hotel all be damendo. Eco social security la dam originally. It dam but Romanian all be business okay kanje. So bari yaja me biratara after nara foko sa yaja me la bagaso libe chikala ke di prom la company ni na Augustus Prom lalo e ngo na mol dia tu korab so Augustus Prom be receivership adlam custodian of the assets so say social security bari to lel tamu kenoti e ko ilafta keno nyin chikala ka busi roma ina nola ka di mola me alonko e ko about 300 to 500 million euros or dollars foreign currency me alon ko di jama bala me ko lafta ko wala invest so il lafta pour Augustus Prom me alon ko receive falem pre ñu lu bay Romanian no lu bay hotel owner receive kata nyin keno la ako because dalil fula wala babul ako one high court order be laare ñim fengul kam high court ye freeze le ye order la ke ka jamela fengul freeze so ñim fengul mo ñu mu jamela associate so lel e kata kelano two e ko ita keno la because jana commission la mo jana baake nak wala kayita ne ko ñun ko fo ko mol ga mi malaria la bar ñi mu cancel ñi manke malaria cancelam jana commission fo yo fengol tonton ko e kanama jana commission of all people three hotel owning ye management contract la soro they were very strategic these are investors so they had a management contract with another company so near will terminate nearby wo management contract ko men bulol fo se prom na la company se sunole for damages for loss of revenue so ñin dalil sabo prom ko ñinat na ate Romanian on ñingate baylano bayre high court la order bije jana commission bije anu yule management contract ko so in an external company so ko ñin dalil sabo ñinatina ita contract ko ñin terminate no so you understand but interestingly social security even though mo sakundalti iba masakundal ko okay parastera lolo social security nada iko itolle lafta ñile buje Romanian ol buje yebuje bari yalla nako high court yemem fo yalla na jana commission yemem imagine that han wododo iko premier Romanian ol bay prom ko nda kelano ay ñin dalil sabo me ngafo ay wala site bari social security la loyam jumalde wala Ami Bensouda so Ami Bensouda ateba commission at the time I was hearing commission and I understand the commission la position monete social security man sabari inara foko ibe challenge kala kaje ko ñin decision ka Romanian ul bay ay sobadi para ito left investor menena for whatever reason left investor ko dolena pour ko forcer na ko dundina inara fo ite sabar le ko bi da jana commission bare ngol fana la oda bi jela ko challenge so barbiri nara jana commission mo ni ñanta ñin blata understand Ami Bensouda may represent at that time I think they brought one lawyer I don't know or something your lawyer dole nati on that occasion but remember they are lawyer social security as a firm Ami Bensouda encore so your lawyer do nati pour jane commission ka challenge ka ñul forcer prom ka forcer prior Romanian ul bay akala genola so inara hearing ke jefonto jane sura hada jane anala 3 commissioners I kamben dañina ko ibe social security la claim ni ba baylale e social security la claim ni ya bay alila mo janna de ba han wododo it looks like the company ni man sabari men gada social security so comme ni ba mere le ga mere talin ngolom but it is very 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 suspicious and rather bizarre and strange that for some reason social security man song even though ebe court fana I believe they are trying their level best ka freezing order nyin ka undo iba jala ko ibe romenenol bayno la nyame they are trying everything lafta wala Augustus Prom nyin ka bondi so ila lawyer o momenti wala ami ben sudati correspondence nyin kono social security writing to the Augustus Prom in one of them Prom ya itani ko they CC they copy ami ben sudala law firm because itola mula lawyer so come ke copy ke bonna kala ko nyin letaro nyin yalla ko kala ni be letaro kila mo lafta department do akala de ke copy le ya ye copy pour final set copy so ibaja membe letaro ya kimi asalon ko idam mama nyi letaro so ya di tala bari ya di kare fanana so ye ami ben suda an ko fam ko copy ta jele wobe jele so bari Prom na ta je ko bayring atay mem fo wala ñu ko akata fo mam balang ñu wa firo fon ka romena nol bay fa ko mam balang ako bar legal yata kelano because na ya ke romena nol ba sambala kitiyolal ibe dol sambala kitiyolal for loss of revenue be sulale anu ako wol ka ko do men ibe ko do men demand la ta ba ko men rough estimation dia mo ñu ko bayran dia mo ñu jambata aba fo kan ko men like example ni wol ka 2 million ka profit also of 2 million so ñu sita do yetul su ko every year malam for 16 years mo ñu wala tuta jeba so 16 times 2 aka yo that's a lot of money ntaw jono la ako ñu lafta ñu ba kitin la mena ni asama kitole be men ñinin kala bul kiti bonda kara jono la ka so wala na balanda ka fo social security ka fa ko ñu baya kata kenola akama sembo so atay terminate nola ata liso ñi ngata ata terminate nola so bar hano do sa ya jele social security na kana jane commission kan ka jane commission ka fo ko al boñul ni al peol ñi ale oda mella jamela ñi hotelol kan ala bondi pour premier bay anu premier o challenge le ko hani takela. So, for some reason, within that same time, Jane Commission ning from start a discussion on so ako ilaw meeting do yung kono ami ben suda wala camera nat le meeting on chair o atela chair. So another kaitan dila kumenko. Albe men jo mbe men ibal jo kan 10% o men fon la siata. Receiver nying because say receiver nying fana ya feel ko ilafte tol bondi la jel. So ako biri ko alla 10% siata ko but 10% den manke problem modi because nale correspondence jama so and ako later on final because if la aka so they are very good they have a lot of data men another later on correspondences in men so and minutes of meetings and stuff like that with jamale bebul and notes so I later on itande go in you let discussion also dole meeting ñun la ñindo I meet last meeting ñun found he described it as cold ako meeting ñun duda ba so aminin council mol baytani kan la ko atoni commission jane commission mol baytanda ko men ko al nyanta ka kudo min kal jola 10% asiara la ako aka ko bot dal na le correspondence jama so in fact 10% atol fon liento la 10% ay document do fana reference me alon ko be 10% to nyi ba jayi kanji ko is okay so anu be pare nata hotel ni fana improve le ila hotel ni na profit na ragenasia be improve kan be several management decision stage me alon ko ay hotel ni mako le nen kumu so akoy ko ñinne manke problème so mo ne warna ñimbe kala problème so akoy dol sobida woldo ko ami bala client do ñi menke ta social security askeno itol komate be atal diam mo data fe ko hansa ami be wolle la kelo la because itol ba balandi ne kanyul bay bayring ami la client o même social security wol lafta ay wolake so ala jele cool dynamics ñi a complex teten and you will be disappointed na keda go so despite surahara jana and the commissioners made a decision ka fo ko mengo yes from manyana imagine prom force la kanyim property wafi but for some reason it will believe to go ami be to treat kan nyameng I don't know comment ko still now ami be social security la cold nindu la jana senala mona ya understand so I believe ko considering the assets considering the assets that we are to be investigated ni ya lonko ami munung social security la loyalty I think social security la loyal manyana because social security is one of the biggest asset owners in the Gambia and another public state owned property so social security can also roll me along ban so I think that was even a bad decision imanyana ka employ no to be the lead counsel to even be part of the legal kafengo mon men alon ko be nyim parastatal so employ ga imanyana ka voltano even abe jere la fon comme da bantala lawyer sa ta membe ko esa falsi babe nyame comme Gambia dingo membe living banda but imanyana ami should not have been the thing there I think she should not have been the lead counsel at disqualified again so julolu men fanal be ya jamela company la so nata ko julolu ngake bala na video men pile kunal ko moy be julolu men kaninkan social security be la julolu kaninkan sinya fula aning Augustus Prom la Carola mina Augustus Prom ya but in essence men get about in relation to the hotels wala ñu diko So bira tata for Augustus Prom obviously not a boot outlet because akonyim from baby keren this is madness. Batambe dunia safa abukeda. So ba ay alon nako social security la fanyu boot outlet barate ba kini ngola tata court ka freezing order da demand pour yake ya jamel asset solka which was granted. So barate ba kini ngo social security ba fo kanko premier ko bujang nyulu bay prom manson ni prom tata yate safe ka fa ministerial la almol makoy nyil felenti be nyore kam pour nga nyi romanian bay nyi hotel tiol bay adun takela no because atol fon la order be atol fon le order me nyi ka court wo be nyin dulatol. So it's a typical mafia business. Imagine itel fon le tata e freezing order nyi ka bata mi do fon atol fon le freezing order nyi ka pour nyi fon freeze. So you fon freeze but still now abe moneke gang abe ken ne woni aba puska abe prom la femme yim puska pour romene nol bay mona na refon make because at fon man silo soto because aba at fon ba fon contradict la naka bo try la fam because already tel tara ko di ko freeze iko nyim bagasol freeze e bagasol freeze ye receiver men tombo ita fon le receiver tombo wo receiver ko teke social security bol puska pour ye nyindol bay baga asset dol bay iko ko loi en obstruct le because atol fon la order be nyim bagasol fon de manula by now. So still now, we caring, but I'm very there near Safi Abuke Danko. So I in social security team all now. So science social security, it all fair, from your it all fair to la mirror, well, Amira be social security la bidding cake. Because Amina ke confront, another molu, Timo Mol ke confront about Ike Jo men. Kafo Kombabona from 10% Bamurna to 3% of profit. So Yajale, come near from mobile, there are several ways to kill, there are many ways to kill a cat. So in conflict of interest, this is a very obvious case. In my opinion, this is an obvious case of conflict of interest. And the fact that the Social Security will even go to the Jana Commission to apply pour que freezing from order from challenge asset from challenge in any way, in any form of legal situation. I think that in itself is ridiculous. What can feel like is out of a movie. Social security ka loyal command fo kana si Jana commission a time waste iko ka mona jibe pour ka jibe bo assetol on freeze la nyame ka jeko ibe waf ibe bonni no la receiver be wafi no la nyame obe keno la nyadi receiver a fo le mena biji high court. Why not you go to the high court? So Jana commission na right and lago intel tay kela no because jang ñi freezing order membe kiti bu ngodon do fo le tambino do fo le salan no la so mbal lañu order ñi ba dismiss la ya dismiss. But for some reason, the same people may be working in that same building, because we already know they have a legal contract as lawyer-client relationship. So you can nyakuya kuli ita ninyulla, ya understand? You can nyakuya kuli ita nileka kumol fo emiano ko buka understand ka fo ala jo fo nyanda jibe kulale. So nyulia feel ko lafte push out lale. So this is the gist of what happened between Social Security, Batambedu, Ami Bensouda, and the Prom and the Romanians. And Prom, I disown Dolta, some of those things I don't want to, yes, Musa said Bali, number, I don't want to get into some of the details, but some of the details are very, very critical and interesting as well. But Nana, I think Kodojama Kasarata Damendo, well, another future elect, and let me just begin by saying, because I don't want to assume, because right now we have lawsuits flying left, right, center, everywhere, lawsuits flying. So I don't know who represented FutureLec, but whoever represented FutureLec, loyal Nyanda Kiskisila, in the sale of the Jame assets. Because committee member be loring, Niaja be loring, is because Bagaso Lumen Wafita, Ya Jamela Fengola, Itata Come Mustafa describe Nyame. Going for a song like you give away price, you will be wafi wall. But for some reason, FutureLec, the building was sold for $100 million. I want to know the lawyers who were involved in that, because Gambia lawyer Jamabi like so-called tradition industry practicing at 10% later. So that means lawyer okay, you expect like 10 million. You might lay 10 million of them. Haramolo. Let me just say that out loud. Haramolo. Muna ko haramolo. FutureLec building na man ke mala value long, ngala value long. FutureLec, and let me just go back here. Building on ya jame manya pinkang so lawyer nyim famo me alon ko wole wol represent nganyum ko mo fe naron ko nyum kumo len toñade lawyer men famo e represent ay la ko do mo doron because den hene ke même silla brother jinen ko nyi mentam nu mentam nu ndal nga circumstance men understand fi ciow leg la building tata nyame wala ñi ko ye même fo ko building nyi ya jamea ma a wafati bulu ye même fo iko bari inim bank iko la julo benu bank la julo be la mam bank la julo jono so biri mam bank la julo jono bank na da fo ko say mbe sambal sambala kito la yesamba kito la kiti bona da fo ko yes to nyala bank la julo bele ma jono ila building no ye wafi building no nyin nyanta wafi la say ko na da fo be building no wafi la pour ila julo men la julo be la pour ko wol jo ko ya jame na da fo ko ba building no nyinga ba sanale 36 million ngame moy o there about between 30 to 36 million bar ndenga 36 la moy bar ngano ko around that end lam so ya na ta sawalla julo men fanam bela is between 30 to 35 million so yow julo fana jo alka ko nyum fahamle so ya na ta building no nyin sawula nyaaw bara man ka ta fon la nyapin kan iko email ela creditol imawlel jono wole samba kidiola code ko building no nyi wafi biriya wafi on the orders of the court ya jame ko nta basanna 36 million or some or thereabout o ma fon so bira santa say ye julutiyo jo ko banda so malawo tuful tafal bije sa gida gambian kol talti because ya have 36 million double so but say me in the jakali building no men I think this was around 2012 or something atol men kanji be fal be la ko building no value ta la escalator fa fu $100 million because ni aja me nyula foka wala nyindiko I want to tell you how these people don't care about Ntolfu Arol and Banku Dingolo and state resources. Because yen narun ko ya wafi fongol lenma iba dila giveaway price lela. But ya wafi Central Bank of the Gambia lema. Future like building of Central Bank lasa. Ya wafi ma 100 million and I think that was overpriced. I kid you not. Amanya na tamele 50, 60. Because ngalongo, you know, currency, you know, here and there currency value devalued with inflation, currency vanana value ka, you know, jinyaming. But you have to factor a few things here. Ule nyiniko, common sense them. Ngamenje ule nyiniko, the pattern of behavior when it comes to their sale of jame assets. Ike nimfengo menga wafi, ngafengo dol jele 10,000, ye wafi 800. Ngafengo dol jele, you know, 20,000, ye wafi nyoma 2,000, 3,000. 10,000, 11,000. Ngawo bejel. Even half of the price abuka foot out. Nga motol jele million motol ye wafi nyoma 200,000. So if we have to go by that same mantra, future like building on manyana wafi la Gambia masakunda fongoma at 100 million. I want to believe ko 50 was a fair price for that building. Considering community form practice men ya adapt. Because that is very important. We are not dealing with written rules here. We are dealing with practice, common practice. So itel famol be menke ke be wafiro ke ganyame niya cross wala. Future like building on manyana tamila 50 million na. Bara wafita 100 million na because yalan ko Central Bank le basan kan. Ata bole to la jifo kono Central Bank le basan na. Adung lawyer involved taw kono. O mari be ko di basola. Of course Ami Bensouda was their lawyer. But again, because lawsuits are flying, I don't know if she was the one. I really don't know. I'm not speculating. I'm not even trying to make you trying to convince you quite them. Menko ida wolem ko atele nung lawyer tige, especially I think for the particular woman Silla, and then according to the testimony, birin Silla bala kodo nyinin kakang atafana be 100 million because I alone ne kwa inside information so ko ala build no ya Central Bank level 100 million. So atafana be nyinin karo ke ka kodo la ya wana sana ka ko mengo ndel tamu nyim build no Jumala loyal ala loyalty. According to the testimony, Ami Bensouda. Contradictory, yeah? So, cool men obey jakasin jukusun jakasta. Nyendula la mukwoti. Ko be tatanara problem obey nyendula. So, I think she should not have been in the picture in the first place. They put her in a very, very, very terrible situation. And I think she tried. I'm not going to lie. I followed some of these proceedings. And I remember instances wherein she was confronted with this conflict of interest issues. And even with regards to Amadou Sambanyola case, Karola, well, I feel like Atafong is conflicted. And that's a completely different dynamic. What if I'm doing man la on commission board of Kobala, but ni what if I'm anytime, near what from the side of the story lamay. ibaje la ko ul bay try la kay tan la ko ami is or was conflicted amanyana ame treat fairly wolfana la perception because that was also a public testimony. This is not like based on speculation. Public testimony anila exchange ngajela. But she diamutale about this conflict issue very she's very articulate with 44 years of experience. You can't expect anything less. She knows exactly what she's doing. But in a corporate world, especially corporate law, I mean, I think it would be fair to say she will be better known as a corporate lawyer. I don't know how she wants to be remembered for, but I think she's more of a corporate lawyer. You know, a corporate lawyer of her standing, 44 years of experience, you know, I think she knows exactly what she was doing. She knows exactly what she was doing. So, ya try le purka pinjela o manke nyum committee de nyuma nga nyum ko de janela o dula ka birani wol be nyola wala ya try le kanyum dula highlight ko, you know, witness or dollar. And to be honest, witness wolfana let me just say wala believe. So now you can do your own calculations because I don't want to be here people say I'm throwing dust or I'm casting doubt on somebody's credibility or integrity here. But wolfana by then can come because some evidence or witnesses might have been suppressed. You understand? Or hidden. You can remember inculpatory evidence. Some of them might have been, you know, suppressed or hidden from, you know, the records. So, what conflict issue was one. So at least I think I have stated for you, you know, in commission like 2 or 3 instances and one other involving the issue of Ahmad Samba and another crew, you know, that exchange. Neil put together, and I kid you not, you're gonna see in between naming case Sabol Kafunyoma when it comes to the major assets and their values. If you, especially if you include feature like, we are talking about more than 60% or, you know, 50, at least a bare minimum 50% of the total assets. I mean, is probably conflicted. So what are now? Why did they sell it to the government when actually government owns it? Lalo, either you are following. This is the biggest scam of it all. Yeah, obviously central bank level. So nying kola come niba fola dolby blind supporters and people who think that molmanga maybe some of them came here to listen thinking kana for karmuswol karwo kunu yamudale krib karab ndol we deal with facts. Facts. It is for you to judge for yourself. Yemire faye. Nta man nafa oteta rande je ngana si janka fo mome ya longa dogo ko sanyi tanen nan ninda mam mira mbokela no ko nya wewo dogo sifa keno nyadile aya londo suru nyabide ni mo mira umur manyina hasidi yala. And I admire this woman, you know, I've praised her. Go to my timeline. But I didn't know these things before because Ami was the lawyer for Social Security since 1994. So Social Security property, Neol Kafunyoma, and the ones concerning Amadou Samba, you know, a few future like put J, you will be value. We are talking about like a lot of money. Come and feature like the Manama is 100 million. We are talking about 100 million building. At least available. So some people believe maybe modole 50 million dama feature like quarter. I'm telling you, or at least it totally feature like building or ya dollar to buy. I don't know, 50 from 50 to another 50. You know, more offender. I kid you not. I kid you not. And right now we may not know who are some of these people because you see the new back can Aliou Jallow, you know, taken by surprise, and I know there is a big surprise waiting for Aliou Jallow. Because hint lebi information of Dulma Bomai. So thanks to all the anonymous witnesses, so-called sources rather. Menugas email all key. You understand? You know, they are helping the commission. Aliou Jallow wala na biya after the real coup dandana ya confront ka ko yung kaitol bembul. In fact, before they na jang force day, odmo yung kaitol bendol bula. But we just wanted to give you a chance. Pre-8 So Lala, what the future like building, we sold, yeah, they sold it to Central Bank for 100 million. And I have a list of, you know, near document on Jibe, your property men wafi, ikajiko the 100 million stands out. Why a public property? Ya jametamo property men, ibo wafila back to Gambians, ibo wafila 100 million. Whoever was involved in that, you did us nasty. And this, according to it was about 30-something million. If my sources are right. So 30-something million, and this is my sources on public domain. It's not like Mole and Kola. It's public domain. If you follow the right people, you follow the right channels, you get some of these tips. based on comment ka ko so future like from dundanung legal battle kono ngo be sort in the public domain. It's available. If you're on Facebook, you're gonna see go feature like I think this was 2012 or 2014. You don't have a problem. I think one of these banks took them to court. I think she took out kodo be bondele, so they couldn't pay their creditors in the Gambia. So you're building over. This is the fact. So if you wanna come back to the commission, I mean, ibela kodo ila loyal la yado makense ke doron but yajame if that story is true yajame mela kodo nyapin kebul ama nyapin kan menki da wala min ko mela julo le jo bank yela momuta wafi ayela creditol yemenu dondo bank atata wolu jo. This is it. That's the summary of it. So nina da jibe sa ne ko nyimbe kafun nyoma ikamenye wolengo Ami was seriously conflicted to the extent that I doubt the credibility of people many along wole Ami employ, because it should not have been the case. Because near future like la building of GB wala value hotel all many along social security. In fact, hotel all carola kuro jama from boldo because we building all land the property and the property modula Gambia land men ka value so back be land. So near value ka funyama monetarily yokodo be ka funya bajala ko kodo nyin ya jemel land value so near ka funyama ning kememu talul o taworo bebe momeyal damendo mavan social security land board so bajala ko ka social security la lawyer fonta ka ke jane commission la fengodi it's incredible anon me divider la demande boy ma sandi tudi e her tudi ke ba mani ala eza fal afana yin sifa so sometimes lawyer sometimes this is why in Dallas school when I was going to uni here most of my lecturers they were from The Hague ICJ the Jamal come bota na banku dolel de nada ye dogo kije discourage because ne pattern of conduct tibe men kije ika discourage as a human being la conscience bukata no dolbi I'm telling you dolbi je discourage completely ko ya bula then they reverted to kana lecturing so wala nan to ngemit but some of them then they were very passionate about kana je brina they discourage why because sometimes loyal ka conduct menke ethically come if you have to go by the theory it is very simple. It is almost like upholding the natural principles of justice. But Molkana will exploit the lawyers, the way they play about it. Maybe the way they play about it, wala katina lawyer nga kapfenga esafal. Ndekala case Jamal. I studied some of the cases I menuke. Nkala public interview example with regards to the what is it called? The Ruto case. Abenung investigator yala on the side of the prosecution. You were an investigator. You understand? It flipped. Later on, you went to the other side. You became like the defense attorney. So what the inside information or based on? Kalong karamo manye mukalaf kama. The karamo manye mukalaf kama. Ngal loyal be kanule. Yanu be mun karamo. Ba ndel manke loyal ngal wala karandor bar manke loyal. So bare nke horoman ke bunya. Wala na mukala fe bari this tonya kumara tonya momanya na malaka tonya ko moye so ni esa fana la wajibe bajala ko wo tonya ite hada mani mumiyana ko hakili bela ite londi sot ite molu men kiskisi ye kullol soto ji ye fellong witness o me ya lonko witness tampare ndin kolu yew vulnerability inside informational base soto ye bodo habat ina ke wala loyati because ite le wol kiskisi you were well funded by public fund but international institution be do ko wala yenyu kiskisi so e boda je yebes ite kilingol na flip tay kitaw modol yeminu kiskisi jama rahmano la kodo ye jo pour ira menu kiskisi ye ko ye la human right violation will be established ina take wala loyat so ni tara wala ko hey dañu ko nga ko lobe la wil kemelul din ibadi le la he was paid a lot of money ala case banna yandi bare mbaran kana dugo kana jani babula jala success le nyabo so but these are facts you manke kallanati loyal sometimes you question some of their behaviors and I will give you another example of Esaga brag case men on social media sometimes ala nyindo abko for akanyin kenen ko akolo for back but because fenko for back ala save al Islam Gaddafi fran and kanyin membe for them you can just google those things out you're going to find out kamen fo volen tonya fo isa kamen volen tonya akamen fa ka fo mole ko ha ni ajenti dara safe al islam Gaddafi defend double jeopardy level ya kitindi la fo pakare fo ka pare ñun inara asamana hegje ko ba kitindi la o fana mbade ni ajibe aman song aman ke wonyama nal se ngala ko boy nga explain ale demanding aman ke wonyama ya kitindi la bang kitio keta de but for kitio bandal yalla ko ni ko trial is a judicial examination and it's a process men ka start I beginning pointless or I end pointless or so save al islam Gaddafi ya kitindi le Libya banko inata foko ya pardon le so the heg nata foko mba kitindi la ay menke yalla wol bokale blank amnesty la when it comes to human rights violations ko mba kitindi la okay bring heg ko iba kitindi la mengira international criminal court they allocate individual criminal responsibility. They want to hold individuals who created the most serious crimes. So bring international ICC ko back in the ESA kira lawyer. So ESA ka fumole ko double jeopardy because law balanda a common principle, a very very well known principle in law or justice. Wala nyidigo ibika mo kit in the kukili wala sinyafula. So I call for double jeopardy. Abukaki. Law la principle balanda. But is this the case of double jeopardy? If you ask me, and maybe 90% of other lawyers probably no, it's not the case of double jeopardy. Why? Because several Islam Gaddafi, ya kitindi jana Libya. So it all Libya procedure moment walanko and these are very common patterns. Ni blood Libya fana ni sentenced to death. Ni sentenced to death. Kiti bumome yake janni ba confirm la for it Supreme Court. Or chance la pour appeal. So you are sentenced to death, if I can remember. So say, to the Court of Cassation. The Court of Cassation should have confirmed Kafu Komengo Tonya yenyi sentence led to death. And nga uphold. Because we sentenced in the ma umana yafano. For us the Court of Cassation will ya confirm. In process of mank. So now we are talking about a judicial examination, a trial that is incomplete. That's one point. The other point is, one of the conditions, according to the Libyan law at the time, and I remember what I'm on, because I had to do assignments on it. I remember the specific law, because if I'm going to Libyan one, well, anyway, according to the Libyan law, Saif al-Islam Gaddafi, near more pardon. Come ateo manya sifa menge mofa, aning ya tumita jirende akola. Near pardon in Libya. Jannabe kala kutume yalonko abelola imari nyanda what they call public apology inyanda okelale al islam Gaddafi amman nyinge among public apology ning amake so kidi bona rafako ni aji de political dynamics ol beje nyame maybe ñu lafta ka political patronage le comme Adam Barrow ñi ci fa menge yalon wol mu international body wol they are very experienced hana Barrow ñi menge de modol bi ñia fo e ba fle nako is very normal comme en tol men na be coalition ko na en tol fay nga dictator men mo yani wala mo leta into bed politically. This is not a strange thing, it happens. So will you understand like the politicians are just playing their political cards, but al Islam al Gaddafi menge anyanta ki tindilale. Melo understand, but anyway, ya delete. Ya understand. So ñinem conditional di ñinem situational di Islam al Gaddafi la kuro among complete judicial trial ke ya understand among trial ke melango is completed and I menke fana esa yalla nako ñaje ko ICC ba mala wala ñu ko ko le bi yemene yalla ko quand for the core crimes ni wol keta international loi balandela pour comme ka molu yam fanyo wala menketa ko malamba fa ñali le genocide crimes against humanity ya understand the crime of aggression bawando ibe makang jumala no me mandra makang baru nga deviate ba janabe ala talibol ni modol vitamiral combatter mba fenga kan so bari lafta mayta na wala ñin ko loyal nke kanule sometimes bari ka sometimes ka silo bulano bakel it can disappoint no le de so many you future like building no contract hold da many you claim okay on their behalf nata non ko ya jame tonya ay bungo nga sanne after a lusta mari ñol tawta ñul la la ko do domale. But also, many finally future like bidlino value ko 100,000 central bank or Saul. I wanna know those people as a Gambian, bro. Who sold that building for 100,000? Jumale o manya sifake. Jumale o manya sifake. 100,000? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? 100,000? That's too much money. Seattle. So you know dynamics only. Let me come back to this comment. Somebody was. Nasola barongo yara take awleke. No comment doing income, but the person was trying to ask some questions about Bensouda and her potential conflict of interest. So I'm the best thing to avoid it. When done, mensa I avoid no wala ñu ko koma manyana tala mu mege because a marta assetol atela loyal men company men represent wala assetol Seattle so much that it is just an inevitable conflict of interest. And she has investment in the banking sector as well. Being on a banking and finance institute on the Gambia, investment also the year. So somebody like that, it would have been, it was. Ni ara non ko comme nga esa ta nyameng yemuta me nga bonna bandala o because amari man expose ba ke Gambia kono isa me no ko interact system o kono ma fa man Gambia lo bara amang interact system o kono so mo dadi sa ko ala connection ol siara dulal to because ni connection o wala ga na some high crimes within the system aka kolea you understand aka kolea high crimes o dol be pour que reveal fam because witness o dol be they will go the extra mile Purga Aminol Dolsifal coming to come after them. For example, the revelation that she was representing at least 3 clients, many along will be claim kekang from the Jame asset. Ateba Kodome Maho can recover, Model Binaga Beninga Kegor, and no modulator from represent at least according to the testimony. But Yala knew Sifaka in a country, well, Ankadiam funding Kele, and Molme along they are conscious. Nkadiam Wole, Ibaja Konita Gambia Kibarol to be. Anila kumo fo mama. So this is come on, some of them be palantero to benjibe baba si buruba no ajibe. Because they think we are crazy. We are touching the untouchables. But we are not. Mbike neng ni besile jam fo sama ita mo langi disrespect, ita mo langi kumani to manela, ita mo langi ne banku kolam. Banku kolam I don't like to nika diam mola kola. I want to sango a respectable and elderly person like I want to imagine that we are sitting together. O maybe medium kanya be audience conal ndem fola nyala muna na mbo fola koma. This is a matter of public record amanke buhayati manke nyu binditi kuma kumo be lari nyame ndoro nga fo nyama kuluo kono ani fama jio kono yim tonyati ko nyimbe lari wala nyama. So a beta ranara italen mistake ko keta dame wala nyindi ko in the first place amanya natala. I want to emphasize that Musa Samuel Mbara amanya natala. So kulo jama fana biye askeno wol dolu Foreign Commission and surprise walla. But I know people will go to lengths to protect people like Ami because they are powerful. Comme ngamen fale journalist wala court, imam point newspaper jawolo ko na ko Mamadou Kurang implicated. But not go implicated is a headline me along ko anyanta more describe so far of all the witnesses where Amile suit best. But they are not going to do that. You know what they're going to do? They're going to tell you that Kurang is implicated. And Kurang scandal so I am not a stupid person. Nyuka kurang ika try ka tiny menu bela wala nyuko maybe I settle menu wafi under what is it called under the reserve price and kuno ngani ndo mani ngomala na audio kono but let me just clarify this. How can you analyze Jame's new audio? No, Jamela new audio more follow. Funny I can WhatsApp na play jam moli ala mo. But anyway, I think I will call ala for now. So don't worry. Jamel is becoming too much. If it's available in the WhatsApp forum, since I play no, any mobile number, so if you send me inside play no, because now WhatsApp is open here right now. Yeah, now WhatsApp is open. Yeah, so journalists will they said nothing about Ami Bensouda. They're not gonna do it. So all I'm going to planter lola besirne control jibe kulombolo ning famfala ning we are doing something suicidal. There will be repercussion for whatever we are doing. Whatever the repercussion is, no problem. But ngalonko ni ko be mol dendila because ika tonya la fo ibe tonya fo la dol men be daring ibo le kam fan la ni wol nata ibe kuma moyla ajibe doro ni tata mo la banko kay boyte kan ye kukela iko a ñol mu taredi soleldi ye fam fallala in fact yo dol men tuje man sol fala ko mu taredi ko mu mo kendol wala kana ko te taredi solti at least la standard wala ka taredi sede e bela banko la defen ka ilo mo kurol me ite ko mol men ka diamo ite ko mu taredi soleldi ye fa dimo yo ol ham wot mo le wo dol me yemeno tuje ko mo kendol wol fana kana ke ko dol wagar singare nga de 144 millions yeah yana ke ba bunda wala lawsuit la but I know I'm gonna say it anyway. You ask me, it's a ridiculous lawsuit. You know, it was just meant kurang silence. You understand? And I think there are better ways to deal with it. I mean, could have just stayed silent. Diamo bandala nyung ko de diamo ko mol ba fala long gameno le ni diamo da ko la ya bula ni diamo da ko la ya bula. So I think that's how she should have dealt with it, but she felt like, oh, I need to establish myself as dominant here, you know. Well, I'm coming Gambia. Newspaper GB Gambia, nothing about Ami Bensouda at all. They refuse to write it. Shame on you. History will recollect. Al mamaringol mina jebe social media ben watara from betata. Even a time nanol GB bajelo kunu nyinekera, but asamo they are going to analyze and study you. Ibafalo Dolby, we had a lot of traitors here in this country. Ale banko jamfale gambe joneli sol ale banko jamfale nal se mamani safeno ko is implicated al ko nyindo ale al nyaka sola bari maje man fenne fon safeje because yalla no ko tentru kuma taye bar bin kunu nataron ko kuma la frame ami vindicate ibafala ko ibamale ko ami ben suda vindicated bonde nte hani 500 million na beje boy nan fon fe mun tari gambe ya beta boy bro han tuba wudu fon nan no ma yem samba code boy I don't care. Gambia, if I'm ever Gambia, I will take it in good faith. I don't want, and from A to Z, if I'm Khalil Singh ni diam rajam ko tege mbe fengela le mbe block la ita mo jongal dia kamanda, you know. Sorry for my language, but you look like that. Because me dandala nya fatama, you know, ikatu nyin corporate mol defend la but la fala e ma ja comment je ga keep waiting to see that honorable lady to be implicated. So nimu corporate more la safety ntemanke woti ntemanke. I'm a very independent person. I'm poor. I'm the brokest malaf ko word of you, but I'm the brokest one that you will see anywhere. But ndekela no butlikati because alay kuno bulale skill table nam ka ti para no da ka balule. So just because alay bunton le karafete ma ye bonnim banda fandi ya mera ko ibendel sanno la wada kela no mbesila nkongo to nke kajafi ko ibe menna ikana ko do menda abula Canada momo le wote oketa momo ba hani nkongo to le be karafola mba fole. That's what we are going to do. We don't care jumala mi jumadi in Gambia. Imagine molbe tonya kisikisila dolbi mol distract la ni si kol ni fengon dol. We stay focused on the main thing. Gambia problem kilene so sun kanyo lebe kono. We have untouchables and they have to break. We have to break them down. Al Bangladesh jibe la mo krungol la bantana kanyame. La mo krungol jibe wolle sembo soto no nyolti. Wolle property lil soto London. Sa konto la sun kanyol me yalon ko Italy la ko fon empire be established Gambia. But because you are dominant in Gambia, you think you will have no challenger, bro. Go and tell your slave masters go. Intel kombam far. Ye missile kina. The visible and invisible missiles, the hand of social media warriors, nothing will deter us. Nothing. I'll be ashamed of myself, and I should be ashamed of myself. But it has to do with country. Munati nambe silala, munati nambe malla. Ita bara kunjulo be saring ning Gambia, ita bara kunjulo be saring ning Gambia. Ne 1 million filter, 1 million o asimusu clean na life save nole. Me yalon ko afara tingoto. 1 million. As a musu clean life safe nole me alon ko wala fata tingoto wala musu tamfa because some of these things they look like basic things wala ka manki mol ka fa Gambia. This is what we are dealing with. So nim mol be criticism la albe thick skin la sotla na so la baro yalla ka je na ke ba fongo nga you know comme sometimes na ke ba dol ngaje ka na ke ba dol criticize but all defend criticism as long as yela na fo wuray ko nde dunta politiko kono nata politiko kono ñow bari ngola politiko kono ñow bari ngol di moy koy nata wala boy ba bele sutola ibe kumul moy la ite fo ma imal la fi menna ibe kumol moy le ka mol support men support mais mal la fala baro be te fendi ha men kuma da wala ñini ko idina siratal mustaqima siloñi biti lola nak kala tentu ka jayi ka yankuba tentu ka jayi bari nga defana be do ku bala Gambia in tembola bari Gambia no be kuma kilina fala me la mbugala fanyen la do baaka bari yala wandi faate ata kala funela akala fi toñal la toñam be tilinde bet jankita damen o kuyata mo moye onu wakita wandi fa fon la onkul do nyenti asa hako boyne nana kala o broda do nyende afa ko fu tajana tajam ko bari yankuba mo le tamansirol na lafta aliyata na lafta alkanata tamansir jumala wala nyido ale president sotno ka me Dawda Jawara ma jala ni nge buñ sama ci ngolam be fa la ni mandan ale president sotno ka me Jawara ma kinata distraction la jam barade wogla nyano yele sama do wure ta Omar be jana na bugo be jana Omar is gonna put you to check na solla bare ngo ngay na solla bare ngo be jana ale Jawara soto Jawara manke sunti aka sungol le kubur ala mansa ko ndaka sungol le kubur Jawara baka sunyar ke naka sunyaro geno barajal temba rabia be kala ko kanilla 2.0 ni Jawara mun sunti tombi bi barajal be kala sade ni ma balti bar Jawara manke sunti bar sungol kunda la mansa kunda kono nyameng. That is for history to study, for us, for generations rather to study. Sungol kunda I hanyida ala mansa kunda kono because munegera a deitale baronata adama aka baro describe la nyadi afanka buluma kalanke fa abuka buluma kalanke because I want to be fair to him as far as the public records are concerned abuka buluma kalanke bari buluma kalan nalu anin mene kay ñun sinsim balla ini ka yema ikunda ihanyita ala mansa kunda kono ya famle Jawara sono yata baro sono yata bari nga kandi masuto mingire ya jambeti sungul hanyita andu barakata ala mansa kunda kono ikunda je foka sinsim bal ci ne kata ikate mabu hordinde ngol kono o kata jambeti so nga ñam fulol be soto so baro be sirim bi ala weakest point mo corruption onti our anti-corruption element omo yankubalti ala anti-corruption element omo yankubalti science and Gambia kono anti-corruption element omo yankubalti and the one that have the vigor and the necessary aggressiveness in him to take on the status quo. It is not just about what is it called against Barrow. It's about a system. O system warning mome yalonko yankuba haniko yankuba ka kamfala. Why do you have to be worried about that? This guy is a lawyer, he's a human rights. Ineneta ajala conduct bejibe yala foko yala call bejibe fo yaji abe dula support la damande yalonko abe kala ko ka modo la human rights ka violate abakata kiji. Hana kira president de binta si ton tembe no nga support nsina nga ton nga kay opposition oti atan soron just because of mfo kumo. Human rights lawyer la mo membe human rights lawyer yala Angleterre sangi jel ni kana lo bi Gambia wena Gambia bankun dewto kataba killing ali result so ay wajede do ko me nga bala bare alka pare ka fo tribe ko lem aggressiveness lem atul me yalon ko baral ko almu nation of believers leti nal tata soma tuman do baro ni ala yal so president do la baro ko la men yalon ko amannal wasa fo albe lono la ala nyatli wala banka faale ko ka faye ko imanna mo bondintol kono men sen to luta muda kam makoy fonso fono alayba taman serol baby janne barola main weakness is corruption. You have an anti-corruption, somebody who built a reputation within 2 years, building reputation. He already has a reputation of being anti-corruption element. And if you know some of the things and the struggles that I mean, just because they are here sometimes, Molbe celebrated, they know how they have their obstacles. I'm going to give you an example. Near Rohilola KSGB, one of the crooks, member no Rohila Dulato, Kafailo, Kamara, that Kamara guy, very, 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 very crook, big crook. Very low crook, very big crook for that matter. Ikafai Kamara. So that same Kamara, Mark, no, I think you have not been following. I think my viewers went up bringing into because that. I was 30 something, now I'm 40 something. But why do viewers matter to you? Are you doing it for the sake of viewers or are you doing it for the sake? Yalon, this is the difference between substance and personality. I told personality or politics of personality, you want to focus a lot on that, but not that of substance. We are talking about substance here. So if you find that boring, you can drop. That's not a problem. After Borough, it is a Kenola president. So you see, this is why we have social media continues to produce a lot of Malamba fools. Social media continue to produce a lot of fools because Mengera, people believe that if you have views, then you are authentic. If you have views, then you are. People may be watching you because you are outrageously stupid. Outrageously stupid. Who is that? You are just the way you derail, the way you deviate from the norm is just too much that komol buka believe ko ni nyama. In fact, more like deep instinct ikatara siri ni basiri ka memire kono barika yo nyongo moto keno maybe ka wumanya sifalek, and that makes you a fool. So we are not triggered by views. I cannot complain about views because I have got what I want when it comes to that. I have every kind of view, from videos to phone call. I've been here, bro, for a decade. At my age, I can be very proud. I have been resigned from doing this. Like I have achieved what I want. But the messaging is the most important thing. It is not about the views or the likes. Nobody now okay kafana from fire, in ways that he can understand. And or maybe I can modo doje nyame as well understand. But there is a distinction between people who come to social media and propelling misinformation. And they talk about substance. We are here for like an hour now, almost an hour. We are talking about a substantive issue. But rather, what you're going to do is you are going to you will just continue to talk about issues. I'm telling you. Sorry, mistake ngamole click manjana men click alala ko win. So this is distinction. Some are on social media, and social media has this tendency of giving relevance to idiots. So we all know that, but that will not make us to try to be idiots. We will stay on substance. We will stay on topic. So if you want, you can say mala weakness mala fiankoti, but at the end of the day, alta fonola alayko. Ala imam mo kende bonding kono me alonko ase wasano ase makoino, because you see somebody me alonko within 2 years have a corruption. So come and focus some of the obstacles that they be going through. All I need to go, that idiot, that guy Kamara was at the commission. Aliajele Kodol Menfield the BCC. Kamara was in the thick of everything. Allegation all men from being against Rohi. Like 90% of them are big Kamara Kanade, because Kamara has a lot to hide. A lot. You know why Kamara has things to hide? Because one, Kamara Kudu Tale, I have found about, I don't know, 2 million. It's a salary. It's accountancy for ACC, but they are about 30,000-40,000 or something. In government scale, maybe less. I don't even know. But in any case, 2 million came from 2 million from public funds. That's sick. With all that record, BAC. Brigamaria Council. Why should Kamara step foot in Brigamaria Council with such a record? And Kamara, if you look at the public record, I believe Manjang's issues at social security, Kamara was in the thick of everything. Kamara was in the thick of everything. Social security law, Manjang saga, I remember. Kamara was there. Yeah, accused Kudola, well, there are indecencies. I will not speak about those things on my social media. Ye Camara accused Kudola, they are just too gross. Ita ochike go sama BSc, yanko wabe corruption of file. You are bringing that corrupt element. Ika sama ika deal. So yala was any kind of borrow as a pool nole. So you see, so still now things are not perfect. But despite all that, already it is July. I think by July for that, today is August 5th. Already halfway through the year, they were able to put together 103 million. What more annually, Birikama Kamensoro 86, 56, 80, 85, 86 million. The whole year, half a year, you accomplished. And this is not coming from donors, it's all coming from what? Taxpayers' money being used for the right things. Right things, priority. You set your priorities. Priorities right. You set your priorities right. This is the most important thing. This is the most important thing. You set your priorities. So, but what happened? They still want to make you believe, maybe, you know, he may not have chance. Blah blah. But the main weakness right now, corruption. Okay, when it comes to Jame Asangara, but still now corruption under him. You know, Fenkeda Malambabla, I found corrupt. You President Fula Sotomayor relatively is so noyada. Corruption Kidala Carola. You know, Sungol they thrive. So, but if you have somebody like Yankuba leading the Gambia, what do you think is going to happen? Yamera Sungol, they will not run for their lives. Yamera got taxpayers' money, because this is what we want to see. We want to see taxpayers' money being put to use. Not correct, Julo labor don Adam Boroben economy tinyaka. And Gambia, if you are a Gambian, you want to understand why the economy is derailing right now. Gambian economy, let me just tell you this simple trick. Me alanko baro na la mol bole kekan. Baro be men kekan science and thing. In his own words, they just borrow and spend. They just go fart. They go and pick money from IMF, ADB, Dontoro, everywhere. So Dontoro keno dame. And sometimes it's a transaction cost. It's a transaction fees. There are a lot. You might worry them, because you know what they are trying to do. Il left a silo le doku before 2025 6 election. Silo le sia, kurang sia. So they are going everywhere. Is a kodo bonino dame. So you na economy ning amandra fenkekan. Kodo ning is not going anywhere. Na economy is not going anywhere. South Menako abesila kendol takang, because Adam Borobe kodo ning kang akungona singola. Purka silo doku purka kurang na. But Yankuba is doing this within West Coast. If you take West Coast, one of the most populated region in the country, he's using it tax-based revenue. Tax-based revenue. Imagine if a principal at the local level, no to the government level, because government level for Naibatarako, Gulale Demente Alonco, central government ball. Now the proper inventories have not been taken, the records are not even there, the statistics and the data, everything is missing. You just have to apply what happened in Brikama, West Coast region, to the central government level, and you have a very good Gambia. And central government revenue coming from donors holding through subvention sometimes it's just too much. Central government kodol men delays. International partners and development partners, if we also have our partners in development, kodol men delays too much. So if you are trying to tell me he's not going to, I kid you not. I'm just trying to tell you about the good chance that we have against President Adama Barrow right now. This is not about leaning towards XYZ, but I'm trying to tell you, your renowned anti-corruption politician is your best politician to put up against a corrupt politician like Adama Barrow in a presidential election like 2026. So, people need to understand this. But to summarize, because Commission I am a little bit disappointed when it comes to the level of time in Commission. I just want to say that in conclusion. I think I'm also a little bit concerned when it comes to Fengola, the timing commission on implementation. Because near Fenke Jibe, Kenny Watondi, Aliu Jallo la testimony Jibe. Like Aliu Jallo, I don't know how many of you watch Aliu Jallo. It was too much of nothing. Too much of nothing. Too much of nothing. Too much of nothing. Aliu Jallo la testimony meta nyame. And I got dealing I dribble nyame. If all witnesses are like that, so you commission for 3 months may expect atakela nyama. And this is what happens all the time. Commission, ni more go 3 months, I get 6. Ni more go 6 months, I get 1 year. Ni go 1 year, I get 2 years. What do you mean commission ban? Aliu jalla kera nyame, aliu entertain nyame, and so my entertain actually. The commissioners were like, I think Nemea Jibe Kebalang, I don't want to use the word threaten, but loki kewala mbayda ni kangala la como like yemen ke nyake korege mbo commissioner I think commissioner ba position do dala la kayta na la ko ngo se mo nyang gonno because I think he deserve all that because abe gala time always kan nyama na be dribble kan nyame. So if all witnesses are like Aliu Jallo, so this commission for now, one of the purposes will be defeated, and that purpose is swift justice to accountability in criteria, because the speed of accountability also matters. Youngs knows to be loyal to his promise is key to succeed. Yeah. No, yalong Gambia, malamba flanyadi. People sugarcoat a lot. And sometimes, political fengol, political analysts like Mark Jananyol will waffle in a Karidina, Kirib Krab. But if I say, give me XYZ, mbaffle in a Kari, but then you munadina, Ikongana Karol, I will probably give you a reason. So, if I say 2026, who is your choice? I can say I think considering Baro Lanying Fengol, considering the fact that Baro corruption issue and we have an renowned anti-corruption element against us, we have a chance with him, and also the fact that I don't see any other person within UDP, and I'm saying this as the second reason. I don't want to get too much into this, but I don't see any other person within UDP who can push Dabo, because you cannot outsign him. Come example, Dabo Baramaria push Yamako, but he can be that for you. And the case in point was Adam Barrow. Even though Dabo was not even on the ground at the prison, but the name Dabo. Now, the solid base is there. And to go beyond that is to say, Dabo endorsed and Dabo is with me. So what I'm trying to say is, Dabo can push a candidate. If you, in second, name Dabo Kola, a candidate Dolond, Abekala UDP a candidate flood, sort of, not killing. Imagine this. If you put up a candidate that's not Dabo, you are going to have like 2 candidates. Because the fact that Dabo is there, you will not outsign Dabo. Dabo is still going to be there. And that candidate will help us expand a lot. So this is some of the important dynamics. Because no longer the selection will be there. I often don't like to share my opinion on these things. But yeah, I have to tell you, this is my honest opinion. In a case like we want to be seen as a candidate for Lesotho, it has to be Dabo pushing another candidate. And I believe in this case right now, our best shot. Screen record la nga break dia la. Do you need a break? Nga screen record la fa jaba. Ala ta ngamur point jumala ga ngamur jega. Omsi. Naso la wareo. Mag na la mo le da woni la guro boy mag. Ngol sudo ni frida because I slept a lot today, I have a very intense 2 hours sleep. Me alone go, I went really deep. Yeah, no, the deep tobacco, so I nyajandile up to this day. So, come in, an honest opinion, to summarize, if you don't understand, screen record, it's like if you put up a candidate, Memanga Dabo, the Bajalago, Modota men cannot Dabo's wall, okay, push, and to propel you right into State House, literally. Like, literally. He can do that. That's how powerful and influential he is. And that is also because of Meo Menke in the political atmosphere. He can definitely be a very good supplement to help us, we can only have like we can only be seen as having 2 candidates if we have Dabo pushing somebody like Yankuba. Like I said, why I said Yankuba is because it's an anti-corruption element. And the status quo right now is corruption. Yung commission verdict be fit la wato mena. Wadara Carrefour is already drawing closer and closer and closer and closer and closer and closer. So you understand? Kausu fadi no fadi ko nango latol tam protect lato mo fake mara boldi. So yung commission la revelation will be fin la wato no be by still now in galabe nyola. So this is my honest opinion, and I'm not going to be insisting on it. I'm just trying to tell you, because it's only my keen followers who will be here listening to this. It's not the most important part of my message, but this is my honest opinion. But otherwise, the incumbent, and one of the reasons why you will want to have somebody like, you know, Yankuba, I'm not time of on them how long I've been here, because let me see. It's the fact that you need to have somebody who has that vigor to go after them, like gatsa. Bro, need somebody to like that. Okay, 1 hour plus. Okay, you need somebody. He will tap on them. I'm enjoying my investment tonight. gatsa. No, election sunya calling other things. You know, honey can tribalism funny lamol. I understand Sidinja Fintital. I don't want to give it too much attention. It's not as if my Sidinja or Mala, but I don't want to give it too much attention. That's how I'm like. If you offend me too much, sometimes I don't even want to respond. I don't want to, if you go too much overboard, sometimes I don't want to even talk about it. So, but that is that. But I just want you all to know, bring out all lembang for Nanyadonkola. Let everybody understand. Go. The tribal topics are a bait. The tribal topics are a bait. Bedlam. Pru kan na mol muda kang, ka ndeling. Nga dung si diamo ko nga kumal fo manya na memfola. So also understand mo nyama. Pour comme ningi na ineng wala nga sido kuma modo data fem fo simo me alon kay manya na kabu. So sidin jainte to be honest menken na la en dimile e mem fa ente dimla bot ngini alatu nyola alama ale kidyo tay ini gambien kol tema alama ale kidyo tay ini molti me kan la men la because ngal ne mo jumale la. So nte bo dona follow ko nte de jampala sidin jala ko. And we all need to be smart and play smart. We need to play smart. Alan kana son tribe ko na, yang bed jela succeed because beding is already on. So if we decided we are going to we are going to fall for it, nke jabi abekala masi bolti. Okay? So jamabi je men kumata je the best solution sometimes is just to avoid them. It's annoying and it's difficult. Not many can be like, when if I end our life in a day like today, sitting here, 1 hour, you don't have to use time. But that's what I want to tell you. Momo left diam, I left the ya understand. Si kelo kuani, si diam kuani, ninkarte fa yokana si delingolom. So if I put lala out there, nadia te yata, nadia de Canada, but he don't understand ako ibe delim fayola. So maybe ninga nyaka sila nada fa meta ibe kudo bondela. Adi along adabani kurong bol nya bula fan sa wala drong. Na meta at momenta kana ofon itan because I can desperately. Because I can still now allow messaging are relevant. So in trying to do that, they go extreme. So I'll see the So yes, Mark, you can call me the ringleader of whatever. But I believe an anti-corruption element that we have right now is Yankuba Dabo. When it comes to discipline, when it comes to professionalism, when it comes to physical and financial discipline, right now, from what we have seen, based on public available records, he's the one to beat Barrow. The opposite of Barrow right now is Yankuba. Don't get me wrong. Yeah. Nasola Barrow, man, for it disappeared. But I have to go now. Ngal beten to ngal beja. Magjana meten to meja me nyasodo. Mbe ulara tulbusoro dilela. Okay, Kitabu Inko, for some reason, you are always trying to, bother my brother, but I'm thinking, I think you should just leave him alone. So, it's just an analogy, in any case, when it comes to common nation of believers, we can never say, oh, God never tried to save us, or God was not nice or kind to us. He never saw us the righteous way. All right, you've already been shown the right way. So left the goal with regards to commission and also what I just told you about the UDP. So it's already 6 minutes to midnight, and I think I need to end my program here. Yes, Mark, I don't know from me engage the comment section because you are useless. Boy doing not a ban from my life. Kalilu, the corporate malon, the elite solar slave on Kalilu suare lamba yon sabuna nadia udala nadia udania down ye kalno sabuna ulo. Mbabulog la do say mbare da kamale. There's a Lavi Maro. Yeah, thank you very much, Lavi Maro. Because Sirinja is saying the truth. I appreciate it, no problem. Nimpare lang yung bulog ko di. Ila barindro nila cool bisa be because kan yung bulog lo. Mo nang ban yung live ko. Isa ya kana comment no ko de kay yon loser. Gaya yon loser. Wala ala baraka baga mena live dana janna.